So the concept behind a book fair is the advertisement and display of books on a large scale on an organization of books exhibition to promote the sale of books and to inspire book loving readers. Whatever be its commercial aspect, but its benefits and advantages for public and society in general, and the book lovers in particular, are innumerous. Worldwide, it has become a regular feature, and mostly in all developed cities, book fairs are held once or twice a year to create familiarity with the source of knowledge. So, with the rapid growth of other informative electronic mediums like television, internet, etc., the habit of reading books is gradually diminishing, and the number of book lovers is also decreasing day by day. In fact, the very survival of this print media is presently under threat, and therefore it has become the concerned necessity of the day for the publishers, printers, sellers, and the readers as well. That book fairs are held on a regular basis at all the potential places where accessible or remote. So, it will not be out of context to mention that one of my teacher had once told me that Indian book fairs have been the byproducts of the Marxists movement when Russian literature were widely spread throughout India to promote the ideology of Marx and Lenin on a very low prices. Earlier, I knew that our metro cities have been the venues of occasional book fairs such as Pragati Maidan in Delhi, then Great Maidan in Kolkata. Of late, city of Lucknow to organize such fairs a number of times, but unfortunately, I could not visit any for some reason or the other. But this year, on I think February, our institution sponsored and arranged a visit of all B.Ed students to the ongoing fair being held at Balrampur Gardens in Lucknow. This visit was such a wonderful, amazing, and thought provoking experience that I shall ever remain a debtor to my teachers, guides, and the institute management for all this. On reaching the book fair spot, I witnessed an atmosphere charged with human activities in the huge premise, as book lovers, like buyers in a crowded market, were making rounds of the book stalls. Event management was perfect, as banners and advertisements were adding new life to the book selling for latest or important books were being widely displayed, and executives and workers of respective marketing companies as well as organizers were extending helping hands and providing information on the availability of the books. People from all walks of life, young, old, ladies, and children, were roaming about the bookstalls and picking the books of their own choice. I found it very easy to go through my liking, as the stalls were classified, marked, and indicated therein with their respective categories like science, computers, fictions, classics, spiritual, literature, Hindi, Urdu, children's section, drama, paperbacks, religious, moral, management, job hunt, foreign publishing, etc., and so on and so forth. The fair's cosmopolitan characteristic was evident with the presence of high profile publishers like Macmillan, then Penguin, Tan, Rupa, Pocket Books, etc., and also popular ones like Delhi Book House, India Publishing, Navneet, CBT, Mitra Prakashan, Sarvodaya Sahitya, Geeta Press, Pustak Mahal, etc. Hardbound collective books were there with a dear price tag and also the paperback cheap editions. I found old classic bestsellers, fictions, moral teachings, cookbooks, health and beauty books, autobiography, biographies, travel books, war stories, computer literature, together series, multilingual dictionaries, dictionaries, reverse dictionaries, then reference books and an encyclopedia, etc., and plenty. The stock of Hindi and Urdu material was unlimited, and there were informative CDs and DVDs also available for sale. So it took about 4 hours to complete the visit of the fair, and we all browsed a lot, but could afford to buy a few. I picked the Afghan by Frederick Forsyth, then Sacred Games by Vikram Chandra, and then Kite Runner by Khaled Hosseini, Hungry Tides by Amitabh Ghosh, and some Hindi translation of famous Bengali and Marathi writers like Ashapurna Devi and Shivaji Samant. The fair was offering 15 to 20% discounts on all purchases. Some stalls of eatables were also there to refresh the book lovers. In the afternoon, we also met in press a famous Hindi writer, Professor Namwar Singh, and had a short interactive chat with him. This book fair visit made me feel substantially enlightened and elated. I found it to be an intellectual bazaar where academicians and authors look for rare books to complete volumes in their shelves. I got huge benefit by having the opportunity to of going through a number of books on a topic or subject which could not have been possibly done in one or more bookstores. A whole new world of knowledge opened up before me, and a surge of inspiration down upon me, which will give me impetus to my career and personality development in the times to come. So this fair seemed to be like knowledge goddesses, choices, blessings being bestowed upon a single roof. So I'm looking forward eagerly to my next visit to a book fair. Till then, I will cherish the pleasant memories of the recent one. So I recall the candid resolution of Lord Macaulay about reading habit, that I would rather be a poor man in a garage with plenty of books than a king who does not love reading. That's all for today, guys. Do let me know your feedback on this. Thank you. Bye bye.